Okay, we're in Chongqing. Shanxi Road, that's the road that we're gonna take. This is Raffles right there. Hotels and overlooks the waterfront, and there's kind of waterfront views everywhere in Chongqing. And there's a station right here, Tianmen Station. And you could go that way and follow kind of a waterfront area as well, which will also be tempting. And we're gonna do Shanxi Road.
Oh, oh, Chongqing, I wanna see Chongqing.
Okay, we have a Chongqing video. So this is actually number 9 of 39. I'm gonna put it up on the map. And one of the things you're gonna notice right away is this particular street starts at Raffles. So that's a hotel that I'm staying at on this particular day in Chongqing. And I'm just gonna start walking directly west on this main road going all the way down. And if you can look at the map again, you'll see like the way that the peninsula kind of goes. So this particular street goes to this overview of the ocean. So I'll be kind of following it along with my camera, and then suddenly I'll get to that spot where I'll end the video. So but anyways, it's like just a little slice of really average normal life in Chongqing, and it's kind of looks more local. I'm starting where tourists are at, but then it moves into kind of a local neighborhood. And anyways, I'm gonna keep filming in Chongqing. So I got the next video will be up in these hills in this area, and there's just more to explore the whole city. So this is number 9. So down below later there'll be 39 once I filled this whole thing and completed the set. So I'm basically putting one video up every 5 days of Chongqing, and this just happens to be number 9 of 39. So anyways, I'm gonna be doing a music preview first with some music for about 75 seconds, and then I'm gonna do the walk and talk with the camera. So that's a little preview of what you're gonna see. And like and subscribe. Chongqing, China.
Take me down the alleys, take me away. Take me anywhere, take me, take me, take me. Chongqing. Take me, Chongqing, baby. Oh, I'm in Chongqing, baby. Chongqing. Chongqing.
Okay, so this is Ascot, and what we're gonna do is go down Shanxi Road, and we'll just go down this way and try to capture. That's the metro station right there. And this is basically the end of the peninsula that the like Chongqing is a pretty big city. So there's a lot of waterfront kind of stuff, but there's a peninsula that goes right through the middle, and there's rivers that go through it. I think there's 4 rivers, and you'll see this piece of land, a peninsula that goes right in between, and this will peak at the spot. I always have people staring at me. There's the guy in the black shirt staring. Okay. So this street, I don't know what to expect. I haven't walked it. There's a lot of more touristic streets probably, but this will give you an idea of what Chongqing looks like on Shanxi Street, just for people that would like to know a little bit of what. So let me just kind of look down this way. So if you look down there, you can see the waterfront goes down that direction, and then around the Raffles Hotel it comes to a peninsula, a point, and then if these buildings were here, you'd see another. If there's no buildings, you would see water on both sides, basically all around you on three sides, if there was zero buildings. And I can't really tell, you know, if people are tourists or locals. I kind of am building this impression that there's a lot of hotels in this area and a lot of tourist sites. So there's a lot of people taking pictures, and of course the Raffles is a big major one. So people are coming over to see that. But those are definitely locals there, of course. And we'll see where this leads. I'm still getting to know Chongqing, but I see a lot of stuff like this. I think this one is some kind of shoe shine, I think. So there's kind of this element of the old that's here as well. It's pretty heavy. Hello. Lots of stuff goes up into the hills. So here you're just never really sure what level you're on. There's some amazing YouTube footage, and I've actually captured it in some of my videos as well. But I think this street right here would be largely flat. So we're, I think, looking at the map, it looks like we're kind of going right down the middle. But it is part of Chongqing, and maybe it'll be interesting to see just on a basic street level. Sometimes you can learn a lot just walking down the street, and you can share a lot with a camera. So that street, it's kind of interesting as well. There's not many foreigners here. I think I've only seen small handful, 5, 6 foreigners or something like that, and I've been here about 24 hours now. So me being a foreigner with a camera, I'm gonna get people looking at me for why I'm walking around the camera, and then for being a foreigner. But I'm showing off the beautiful city, so that can't be bad. It is a pretty cool city. Okay. So now we're kind of getting into more of the density of buildings. I'm walking towards a tourist area, so I'm kind of curious exactly how this turns out myself, because I haven't really explored. I haven't walked down this street and this area of Chongqing anyways. Got lots of these overpasses. There's a parallel street over there, and that follows the water. I was almost going to go that one, but it looks like this one yeah, this one, Shanxi Road, seems like it's going to be parallel with the water over there. So I might go over to the water part so we can get a view a little bit. Of course, if I do, I have to wait 30 seconds. Let's just keep going down this way. So Chongqing is like, as of 2024, something like 25 million people live here. It's one of the most populated cities in the world. It looks like people are kind of going up the hill up this way. And I think I've been up in here. These are like apartments. I actually have filmed up in that area before. There's also a train line right here. Shanxi. So there's a train line as well. And we're still going to be walking. So that's Shanxi Road actually ends right here. That's what it says. Yeah, so let me see. So you can see something going on over there, but we'll go a little bit further down Shanxi Road. Try to get a feeling for it. No, we're still in Shanxi, Lu. Okay, we're still here. And it looks like you can go all the way downhill over there. There's a hotel over there, a bridge you can go across, so some people are walking down that way, and an escalator right next to it. So we're gonna see what they're all watching me, I think. Oh, hello. I'm not looking at anything, right? So Datong, I've been walking by that, so I think I'm in this area that's kind of familiar. So right where they're standing, there's just a big rail, right? So there's no reason for them to be there unless they're watching me. So I kind of want to be on that side. We'll get over there. But it's kind of funny. I don't really mind. Actually, I've only seen 6 foreigners, and the one I was talking to yesterday was kind of telling me that he was getting a little bit tired of. But I guess I've lived in Asia so long that I don't always think about it so much. But I am thinking about it today. A little bit. Okay, I'm gonna keep on moving. And what I want to do is looks like I'm gonna come up to some construction right here. And I kind of wouldn't mind going over to that side and just seeing what that's all about. So let me just kind of see what this road is all about. Okay. So yeah, Chongqing is basically like up on a hill. There's kind of hills everywhere, but this little peninsula is basically a hill. Looks like we got some construction down that way if we keep walking down that direction. And what I'm gonna do is I just want to go over by that way and just go across a little bit. Yeah, it's actually kind of cool, like all those mountains over there. And you got some homes dotted up on the hills and such like that as well. At nighttime, you know, it looks pretty fantastic because everything is lit up. So I'll try to film at that time a little bit. Now we can go. Okay. So we got a green light. And I think everybody's walking down or across. Maybe they're going across like that. So we're gonna follow that same way as well. And then I think we can take this sidewalk. There we go. There it is. And then we're gonna be going down this way and following. There's Raffles, so you can see the Raffles Hotel in the distance. And it's like they're building something here. Building something everywhere. Chongqing. And I guess if we wanted to, we could walk all the way across to the other side. There's Raffles over there. So I might just stay right here for now. But yeah, so that's the bridge, including some temples. There's a plane coming in or going out. And you got all these tall apartment buildings with these amazing views. Nighttime it must be incredible. Okay, so I am going to end that one here, and there's Raffles in the background, and that was Shanxi Road in Chongqing.
Oh, oh, Chongqing, I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing, oh yeah.